Today I will make a Japanese lily and the lily of ballet with nerikiri. Please check the summary column for ingredients. I'm going to flatten nerikiri ball to cover end ball. Add flattened white nerikiri. Put the white ball on the purple ball. Add the yellow pistol a little farther from the center. The damp cloth that has been squeezed tightly. Next time, wrap the ball in a cloth and squeeze it lightly. Place it on the board and lightly press it with 3 fingers. Then draw the line with the triangle rod. Use your thumb and the index finger to dent the 3 petals as shown in the picture. Stretch the green nerikiri on the board with your finger to sharpen the tip. It's gonna be a leaves for lily. So next time I'm gonna make a lily of ballet. Flatten green nerikiri ball to cover an end ball. Draw the line with the triangle rod. Draw a line using the double line. Drawing zigzag pattern from edge to edge. Then use the triangle bar to add the line in the middle, as shown in the picture. So next, make 5 small balls of different sizes in the white nerikiri. You better change the sizes, make from large to small. Attach the ball along the gloves as a picture. Next, I will make a warrior helmet using the spring roll skin. Please check the summary column for ingredients. I'm going to use the air fryer today. Use the one of the roll and tear the bread as shown in the picture. Melt 1/4 cup butter in the microwave. Mix everything with 3 ounces of Anko and divide it 8. Prepare a mixture of water and potato starch. I will make an origami warrior helmet with spring roll skin. Water-soluble potato starch is used as a glue. Prepare the air fryer basket. Spray oil. Place the helmet on the rack with the front side facing down. Please use the parchment paper. It is easy to clean up afterward. Set the air fryer temperature to 390 and 7 minutes. Turn it over, set it to the same temperature 2 minutes. May 5th is Children's Day in Japan. Please enjoy while eating Japanese confection. Thank you.